Okay. So how would you implement the loading of large reports with large amount of data? I mean, the files, their weight begins from 1 GB.
Yes, the large reports with the large amount of data, more than the 1 GB, like there are the few approaches. Mostly we can load the data in large reports, like use a streaming approach. And in the streaming approach, like we can use the OB start and OB flash, using streaming libraries such as React PHPR, even is the even meant something files. There's the one another library, and the use a background job, and use a chunk transfer encoding. So in the background job, we can use like the rescue, or the beans tagged. So there are the different schedule job we can use, mostly this type of chunk transfer. In the chunk transfer we can send data using the headers, and in the encoding we can flash using the function. So this approach is also used, mm, to send and for the loading the large reports amount of data.